Have you ever wondered how to make money with Google Maps? Today we'll dive into this intriguing topic. Google Maps, a tool we use every day, holds within its vast data an untapped potential for profit, and we're about to explore it. This video is all about unveiling a unique and innovative way to leverage Google Maps to your advantage. So what's this all about? Well, it's about a simple method as simple as copy and paste to generate profits. Yes, you heard it right. Copy-pasting isn't just for moving words or images around your screen anymore. It's a tool, a means to create a stream of income. Now, you might be wondering, how is this possible? Well, we're about to take a deep dive into this process, breaking it down step by step to show you how to tap into this gold mine. So, sit back, relax, and get ready for a journey of discovery. Stay tuned as we unravel the secrets of earning with Google Maps. First and foremost, we need to understand what Google Maps is and the vast potential it holds. Google Maps is far more than a tool for finding your way around. It's a web-based service that offers satellite imagery, street maps, panoramic views of streets, and real-time traffic conditions. But perhaps most importantly, it's a platform that connects users to businesses around the world. Imagine Google Maps as a vast, interactive directory. It's a place where businesses can make their mark quite literally on the map. Whether it's a family-owned bakery in Brooklyn or a tech startup in Silicon Valley, Google Maps helps businesses of all sizes to gain visibility, reach potential customers, and grow their operations. The features Google Maps offers are numerous and powerful. Think about the Street View option. It allows users to virtually walk through streets exploring neighborhoods and businesses from the comfort of their own homes. Or consider the Directions feature, guiding users step by step to their destinations, whether they're driving, walking, cycling, or using public transportation. These features, among many others, are leveraged by businesses in creative ways. Some use it to optimize their delivery routes, others to analyze local competition, and many to enhance their local SEO, making their business more discoverable to potential customers. Now that we understand the power of Google Maps, let's explore how it can become a money-making tool. You might be wondering, how does copy-pasting relate to Google Maps and making money? Well, let's dive right in. When we speak of copy-pasting in the context of Google Maps, we're not talking about the traditional act of copying text from one place and pasting it into another. Instead, we're talking about the extraction of valuable data from Google Maps, data that holds potential for profit-making. Imagine this: Google Maps is a treasure trove of information. It's teeming with details about millions of businesses across the globe, from their locations and operating hours to customer reviews. It's this data that we're interested in, and it's this data we aim to copy-paste. But how does this translate to making money, you ask? Well, this data is a gold mine for entrepreneurs. It helps them understand the market, identify potential competitors, and even discover untapped opportunities. For example, if you're planning to open a coffee shop, wouldn't it be useful to know where all the existing coffee shops in your city are? Or what customers are saying about them? This is where the concept of copy-pasting comes in. By extracting this data from Google Maps, you can analyze it and use it to your advantage. It's like having a crystal ball that can give you insights into the business landscape. With this understanding of copy-pasting, we're ready to delve into the actual process. Let's dive into the first part of our step-by-step guide on how to make money with Google Maps. Our journey starts with understanding the art of finding suitable data on Google Maps. Now, you might be wondering, what exactly do we mean by suitable data? Well, in the world of Google Maps, suitable data refers to information that holds potential for profit. This could be anything from identifying popular tourist spots to locating niche markets within a city. Let's start with the basics. Open your Google Maps and type in a location you're familiar with. It could be your hometown or a city you've visited recently. Once you have the map of that location in front of you, it's time to start exploring. Now, here's where the art of selection comes into play. You need to find locations that are popular, yet not too mainstream. These could be small cafes, boutique stores, or even local events. The aim is to find places that people would be interested in but may not have heard of. This is where you can provide value by bringing these hidden gems to light. You might be wondering, how do I know if a place is popular? Well, Google Maps has a useful feature called reviews. Look for places with a decent number of reviews and a high average rating. These are indicators that the place is popular among locals or tourists. Once you've identified a few promising locations, it's time to collect the data. And by data, we mean the name of the location, its address, and any other relevant information. Remember, the more detailed your data, the better. Now here's the fun part: copy pasting. Simply copy the data you've gathered and paste it into a spreadsheet or a document. This data will form the basis of your money-making strategy. And there you have it. You've just completed the first part of our step-by-step guide. You've learned how to select the right kind of information on Google Maps and how to efficiently collect it. Now you have the crucial first steps down. Let's move on to the next phase. Moving forward with our guide, we'll now focus on how to use the data you've gathered. It is crucial to understand that the information extracted from Google Maps is more than just names and places. It's a gold mine of opportunities waiting to be capitalized upon. Let's talk about the various platforms where this data can be put to good use. For instance, if you've collected information about local businesses, you could leverage this on social media platforms. You could create targeted advertising campaigns on Facebook or Instagram. By focusing on local businesses, you're reaching out to an audience that's already invested in their community. Another way to utilize this data is through affiliate marketing. If you've gathered data about local restaurants or shops, you could reach out to them and propose a partnership. You promote their business on your platform, and in return, they give you a commission for every customer that comes their way through your referral. The beauty of this method is that it can be as passive or as active as you want it to be. If you prefer a more hands-off approach, you could simply provide the data to businesses and let them handle the marketing. On the other hand, if you enjoy being in the driver's seat, you could take charge of the entire campaign, from creating captivating content to tracking the conversion rates. Or perhaps you could use this data for content creation. If you're a blogger or a vlogger, you could create content centered around these businesses. Reviews, interviews, or even just showcasing their products or services could provide valuable content to your viewers and potential customers for the businesses. Remember, the key here is to be creative and think outside the box. The data you've gathered is like a puzzle. It's up to you to piece it together in a way that benefits both you and the businesses you're promoting. With these steps, you're well on your way to making money with Google Maps. But we're not done yet. Before we conclude, here are some additional tips and tricks to enhance your Google Maps money-making journey. Firstly, always keep yourself updated with the latest features and updates from Google Maps. As you know, technology is evolving rapidly, so being up to date is key to maximizing your earnings. Subscribe to tech news outlets, join online communities, and regularly check Google's official blog for any new announcements. Secondly, don't overlook the power of data analysis. Use Google Analytics to track your progress and identify trends. This tool can show you what's working and what's not, helping you to focus your efforts and improve your strategies. Thirdly, be patient and persistent. Making money with Google Maps isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. It takes time to build a successful venture, but with dedication and hard work, the rewards can be substantial. Now let's talk about potential challenges. One common issue is competition. As this method becomes more popular, more people will start to utilize it, making the market more competitive. But don't let this discourage you. Instead, use it as motivation to continually improve and differentiate yourself. Another potential obstacle is the changing algorithms of Google. Google regularly updates its algorithms, which may affect your visibility or earnings. To tackle this, always adhere to Google's guidelines and stay updated with the latest changes. Lastly, don't forget to diversify. While Google Maps can be a lucrative venture, putting all your eggs in one basket is never a good idea. Explore other opportunities to supplement your income. This way, you'll have a safety net in case things don't go as planned. With these tips and tricks, you're now equipped to start your journey of making money with Google Maps. Remember, success comes to those who are patient and persistent.